Welcome to the Nutritious Yogi Kitchen, where it's always about clean eating. Food is medicine for the entire family. It is getting warmer outside, which means popsicle season. Now, this recipe came about because I was playing around in the kitchen, which is always how my best things seem to come out. And it's two random ingredients that I thought, I bet these would taste really good together. And they're really pretty clean. So if you're looking for a delicious frozen treat where you get to monitor the sugar intake and have it be super easy and super delicious at the same time, you're in luck. Stay tuned, keep watching. Okay, so I have about 3 cups of the Siete brand cinnamon churro chips, and these were starting to break in the bag, kind of getting a little bit old, and I thought, oh my goodness, I need to use these for a recipe. And this cannoli recipe, this frozen cannoli recipe is the perfect place. So you can use any kind of like cracker. I always recommend gluten-free if you're following this lifestyle. But any kind of good, clean cracker, lower sugar that you can find. And all I'm gonna do is through and pulse it until we find fine crumbs. So this is what my beautiful crumbs look like. Just nice like this. You could do it, you can kind of keep them a little chunky. I like them fine. And I'm gonna take my silicone molds here, and I'm just gonna start by filling the bottom with, this is gonna be our sort of like our little frozen cannoli shell, if you will. And I'm just gonna fill the bottoms. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside and start my cannoli filling. Okay, so I'll show you first our 2 ingredients. This is just a 15-ounce container of organic ricotta cheese. There we go, beautiful. And then my second ingredient is, this is the Toonie Mooney Organics. I really like this brand because it's clean ingredients. It's a tapioca and egg white base, no high fructose corn syrup or any bleaching or any of that stuff in here. It's good, clean ingredients. Of course, this is gonna be where the sugar is coming from. So if you like it a little less sweet, you don't have to use this whole thing. But for this particular one, I will use this 7-ounce container of that. And then if you want, you can add a pinch of vanilla extract or a little bit of almond. I wouldn't go too crazy, but just that nice, sometimes when you go to a nice bakery, Italian bakery, there is a little bit of that almond extract touch to a cannoli. Totally up to you. And of course, totally forgot some chocolate chips. You can add something like a fruit, like an in-season summer fruit, like blueberries or raspberries or something like that to it. I'm doing the chocolate chips, of course, because it's a cannoli. This is about a 1/2 cup here of organic chocolate chips. So it is good and smooth. That is what it looks like. And I'll just show it to you like with a stick. This is the texture that we want. It freezes up so beautiful and creamy. So now all I'm gonna do is add this probably about half the way, maybe a little more crumbs. You could put the chocolate chips in layered, or you can just kind of toss the chocolate chips in and mix it however you wanna do it. I promise you, you're gonna be making these popsicles over and over and over again. If you liked what you saw, definitely like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for Nutritious Yogi in the kitchen, where it's food is medicine for the entire family.